Hello. Let me see here. Hold on 1 second. Hello, guys. Let me know if you can hear me. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me, guys? Hello. How you guys doing? Let me know if you can hear me. Just tip. Okay, yes. Okay, good, good, good. Hi, Kwesi, Kwaku, Dave, the Queen herself, Abdurrahman. Hey, how you guys doing? Yeah, I decided to make a quick do like a live today instead of a video. Who's that? Kadeen, Kwesi, Black J. Guys, how you guys doing? Let me know where you watch me from. I want to know if you watch me from the state or from another country. I want to know. Hello, Piyush Patel, Lena. Please let me know where you watch me from. We got 23 people right now. South Africa, good. Kuwait in deployment. Italy, India. Hi, Suni, Vivian, Atan, Esther, um, Dev Sanja, this Denver, Colorado. So some of you guys who are watching me from the US, what I'm gonna do today, not only I'm gonna go over the US consulate update with you guys, I'm gonna go to the website so I can, I will copy the link and paste it uh, in the chat so you guys can check it for yourself and see what's going on. Cameroon, Ghana, I see that. Okay, if you watch me from state, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably gonna pick like two, three or five people. You're gonna send me your phone number. I will call you live. So we can talk on the phone. Maybe like 5 minutes uh, for each person. We'll see how it gonna. Well, just to help you guys, if you have any question, I will call you straight. Okay. And I'm gonna call you. You will see the number as restricted or private, because I won't show my number. So we're gonna do that in a minute. Okay. So India, Guyana, Jordan. Okay, I see that. Jamaica. Yep, I see that. Algerian. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, I won't be able to pick. Actually, you guys gonna send me your phone number. I will call you. It's not like I'm gonna put a phone number. You guys can call me. I'm gonna work on that later on, where I can give you some phone number you can call for some of you guys who are outside United States. Okay. So I have on save Vandana. I'm good. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna get to the question in a minute. So, like I said today, the main thing here is to check the U.S. consulate update for you guys. Okay, that's the main thing, and I'm gonna tell you guys because I don't know if you guys gonna send your phone number to. Let me see. Gonna send it to email. Haiti, I see that. Okay. All right. Before we started, I'm gonna go over the NVC update quick cases document email they are working on this week starting today. So some of you guys who are petitioner, I know you guys have been waiting for NVC to contact you after the case is approved. USCS moved to NVC National Visa Center level. Well, today, if you check the NVC website, some of you guys who have a chance to check the website, you will notice that They mentioned that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on December 4th. Okay, they start working on those cases, and then what's gonna happen? They will contact you guys. If your case has been approved from USCIS, let's say like 6 weeks to 2 months ago, in some cases, chances are NVC start working on your case now, especially if you are immediate relative. Okay, so pay attention to check your email every time. So once they start working on your case, they're gonna key in all those information, your petition information in the system. They will contact you guys. They will contact you, send you the welcome letter, invoice ID and case number, which you're gonna use to log into the system. So once you pay the fees and um, you submit all the documents, they're gonna review those documents. So on their website today, they say they are reviewing document they received on September 24th. But for that one, I don't know if they will really put the exact date because I know people who send the document after September and NVC already approved the document. So what I'm going to tell you is to check your email every time. Once you submit your document to NVC, you have to check your email and see if they accept it or not, or if they send you any notification, to upload the document. Because I have somebody, he that person submitted document to NVC, and NVC reply send her a question, not even a question, but email, or asking her to upload another document, but she didn't see the email. So they sent the email till since June, and she didn't see the email till now. Now we submitted the document again and waiting for NVC. So it's very important to check your email every time so you don't miss any email coming from NVC. Okay. So now after NVC review your document will qualify, then they're gonna schedule an appointment for you. But for that one, we're waiting for December 31st, like what, in 10 days, and see if the immigration suspension will be over. Hopefully it will be over so things can start moving forward again. Okay. So some of you guys who are affected by the immigration suspension, unfortunately, even if you are documentary qualified now, you won't be able to get an interview appointment till the immigration suspension is over, until the U.S. consulate in your country resume the visa services. Okay, and then some of you guys will send email to NVC regarding your, different questions. Well, they are not on their website today. Also, that they are responding to email they receive on December 7th, which is like 4 days ago. So make sure you check your email so you don't miss any information coming from NVC. Okay, so that's what is going on at NVC on this week. So I'm gonna, like I say, I'm gonna check a U.S. consulate of different countries today. So let's start it here. Let's start it. Let me know if you want me to check US consulate for your country for you. We have 27 people live right now. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. If you just join us, let me know where you watch me from. And then, I said at the beginning, at one point, I'm going to ask you guys to send me your phone number if you live in the US. So I will call you straight, directly. We can talk on the phone, maybe 3, 2, or 5 minutes or something like that. See if I can help you out. I won't be able to help, talk to everybody on the phone, but maybe few of you. All right, so let's see which country. Okay, I have a question here. Okay, Khalid Khan say, please tell me, will Trump extend the ban? Well, Trump administration is leaving on January 20, so I don't know for sure. I don't know if they're gonna do that, but who knows? But even if they do that, I'm sure the new administration will do something regarding the extension. Okay. Kwasi say my case was approved by the USCIS on 30th of July 2020 and never heard anything again. Well, since July, depend on your visa category, Kwasi. If you are a green card holder, or it might take a little bit longer. If you're a US citizen, usually we take I would say, yeah, it's already approved by USCIS. So yeah, you have to wait till NVC contacts you. Sometimes it might take 2, 3 months. But in case you are a green card holder, it might take a little bit longer. Maybe you are a green card holder. That's why you didn't hear anything from them yet. Okay, but you still can call them just to make sure everything is fine. at the end. Vandana, my case was actively reviewed by UAC on December 8th on I-130, but after the day, no update. Now 13 days gone, no update. What to do? Well, there's nothing you're gonna do. Just wait. One thing about UACS, you have to be patient. You have to be patient with them till they do what they gotta do to contact you back. Just wait. They're gonna review everything and let you know. All right. Oh, Fontana. Okay, Fontana, that's your phone number. I have to write this down, guys. Let me see if I can just tap on it. Give me 1 second. All right, sorry guys. I forgot to take a pen. Let me see this phone number. 664-4997. So Fatmata Amara, so her phone number is on 732-664-4997. So I'm gonna check something here. Okay. I'm gonna call you right now on Fontana. I don't know if you have your phone with you. I'm gonna call you right now. See if we can talk for maybe 2 minutes. Okay. 1 second. Okay, I got 732-664-4997. All right, I'm calling you right now, Fontana. Oh, Fatmata. I don't know what to say, Fontana. Fatmata. Hello. Hello. Is that Fatmata?
Yes.
Hey.
Yes, how are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Yeah, I just see your number. I was like, okay, you are the first person who put your phone number. Let me call you and see what's
Yes.
going on. What's going on with you?
Yeah, I came to the US 2016, but I applied for asylum.
Okay.
So when I go for the interview, I get denied.
Okay.
So my husband, I got married. My husband filed for me, so we closed the case for in the immigration court.
Okay.
So he filed for me. They got my I-130 approved. He filed for me and my kids.
Okay.
I filed my I-485 is waiting forever. I don't know if you know any important time for right now.
Yeah, because I know a lot of people who apply for I-4, like we talk about green card, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I have people who are US citizens. They even apply for the petition for their spouse until now, more than a year, they didn't receive their green card yet. So it's not just you, and I think something's going on with the
we don't even
USCIS.
have interview yet, so I don't really know why.
You already did the interview?
No, we don't have we just filed. They send me a notice that they receive it. They send me another letter for fingerprint, which I did March 18 this year. I did my fingerprint. But then nothing. We haven't heard from them.
Yeah, all you gotta do, you can call them and see everything is fine with the case. As long as everything is fine with the case, you just have to wait. There's one thing with USCIS, you don't rush. They just go by, on their, at their pace. You don't have to rush anything.
But when you call them, my husband called them. They go speak for voice.
Yeah, he has to keep trying till he reach somebody because a lot of you they receive a lot of calls. And then not only that, if you guys call USCS and let's say you talk to a representative who cannot give you like the correct answer, ask for a supervisor, ask to talk to a supervisor. Okay, that way they put somebody like the supervisor on the phone. They can give you more detail about what is going on. Okay.
Okay. Then the other question is. They approved my kids, me and them together, in last year, December 14th. But I paid the visa fee on March. So the thing was, I submitted some documents. I submitted all the documents too, but I think the guy that did the documentation for me for the affidavit did not do it right, so they reject the affidavit of support. So I have to submit it back again. I think Wednesday. So, but I have only work authorization. My husband, his financial status is not as strong. So I have to be like we want to do a joint, but I have work authorization. Do you think that works?
Okay. You say you have a work authorization?
Yes.
Okay. Did you start working yet?
Yes, I'm working for almost 2 years now.
Okay. Well, like I say, you just have to be patient with them, and hopefully, they will approve everything. You go to the interview, they will approve everything, and you become a permanent resident. Okay. So
I'm talking about my kids. The affidavit of support for my kids because they have to go through the council process. They approved me and them the I-130, but they are back in Africa, in Sierra Leone. So now my husband, his finance is not enough, so we have to do a joint affidavit of support. He did his, I did mine. Okay. But I don't have a green card, I have work authorization. Can I do the affidavit of support?
No, the affidavit of support is not you because you are the beneficiary. Okay, your husband you're talking about?
For my kids back in Africa.
Oh, your kids. Oh, you talk about your kids.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So your case is you say it's an asylum case, right?
No. I went to the asylum, I get denied. So my husband, we get married, my husband filed for me.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying now.
My husband filed for me and my kids.
Okay, now you talk about affidavit of support for your kids.
Yes, his finance is not enough.
Okay, yeah,
you keep going affidavit of support, me and him.
But since
I did mine because his is not enough.
Okay.
So he said he needs joint sponsor. So I did affidavit of support.
Okay.
I want to know if because I have work authorization, maybe.
So what I'm thinking, yeah, for that, I think you have to be at least a permanent resident to do that. Since you only have a work authorization, I don't think it's gonna work. The best thing to do, maybe you can find somebody that can help you out with the affidavit of support. I think that would be the best thing to do. Because just for your work permit, since you are not a green card, a permanent resident yet, yeah, I don't think that will work. So find somebody who is a green card holder or who is a U.S. citizen to help you out to maybe be a joint sponsor, to help you out to sponsor your kids.
Okay, when we upload the documents, we upload it on Wednesday. So how long it take for them to kind of like review them and reply?
It depends, and because of what is going on now, sometimes it take like 2 months, before they even review the document. It depends. Sometimes it takes 6 weeks, and it all depends. Every case is different. Okay.
Yeah, because the last time it took like 2 weeks.
Yeah, sometimes it might take 2 weeks. Sometimes it might take like it varies. It varies. So you just have to like this. That's why I was telling you guys have to make sure you keep checking your case, your email every time to see if they didn't send you any email. Okay. All right,
Fatima. You don't have any specific thing for I-485 for them to send an interview notice, right?
No. Because not only that, because of the transition that is going on now, you have to wait a little bit. Hopefully you get all those you'll get a notification soon. Okay. All right, Fatima, I gotta go now. Yeah, I got a lot of people online. Trying to see if I can help other people again. Okay. Good luck and happy holiday. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello guys. Yep. Well, I have a question here. Let me see what's going on. I got 24 people here. I'm watching from Guyana. I submit my paper since August and no response on yet. Can you please tell me something? I'm wanting. Well, if you say you submit your document on since August, you submit it to USCIS or we talk about NVC. If it's USCIS, it will depend on your, whether the petitioner is a green card holder or US citizen. Because a green card holder, the process is a little bit longer than US citizen. Like I always tell you guys, you just have to be patient, okay? If that's the case. Good morning, Mr. John. Okay, guys, if you want me to call you and you live in the US, put your phone number. I will do my best to call you. You might talk maybe 2 3 minutes. We're not gonna talk for 10 minutes, but 2 3 minutes that'll be enough so I can talk to you guys and see what's going on. Something I can help you with. I don't know I don't have answer for every question, but I'll see my best. Please, our US Embassy in Ghana resume visa services yet? Anastasia, I just checked Ghana yesterday. They still didn't resume visa services yet. Okay. You have to be a little bit patient. Hopefully, they will resume visa services so you guys can go to the interview. Angie say, hi John, I have question. NVC asked me to upload document, but my wedding is fresh. I will not have the certificate until it reach a year. What should I do? Send them like that. Please answer. Well, what you gonna do, Angie? You have to call NVC and let them know that you don't have the certification. You cannot get it. So, and then they will tell you exactly what to do. Most of the time, if you cannot get a document they require, they will ask you to send like a statement, let them know, or you cannot get a document. Okay, you have to send them a note or call them first, talk to them, and then they will tell you exactly what to do. Ismail, hi, sir, from Somalia. I'm living in Kenya. My wife, is U.S. citizen. Interview was December 2019. I got the additional document. Submit all February 1st, and be receive after that. Well, if you receive 221G, once you submit additional document, you have to give the embassy time to review those documents and then let you know, or their decision. Sometimes it might take like a year, okay, even more than that. You just have to be patient. There's nothing we can do after you submit the additional document they are required. Hello, US Simone. Our case was approved December 12, 2020 by US CIS, and we have a pay all fee. My wife, she's a US and I'm in Africa. So I'm asking if I can start completing the S260. Well, once you pay the fees, once you get your case number, invoice ID, guys, you can start fill it out on the actually after you pay the fees. Sorry, after you pay the fees and the fees is processed and changed to paid. Then from there you can start fill up a DS on 260. Okay, but you have to wait till they process the payment first. Okay, Atano Uchoma. I'm a green card holder, and my daughter's case has been approved by NVC for more than a year. I haven't heard anything to US Embassy in Yaoundé. Yes, because you are a green card holder, you are affected by the immigration suspension. Reason why you didn't hear anything from US yet, I mean NVC yet. Okay, I thought. Yeah, that's the reason why. So, guys, let me know. Let's do this. I think I'm going over place, moving around here. Let's do this. Let me know if you want me to check a US consulate of your country. Let's do that first. And then, I'm going to ask you if you want to, put your phone number so I can call you so we can talk like maybe 2 3 minutes. But let me know if you want me to check a US consulate of your country for you. Let me know in the chat and just put your country and I will do my best to check it for you. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Just put the name of your country and then I will check it for you. Let's see here. Yeah, Ghana. I checked Ghana yesterday. I can check it again. They still didn't resume visa services yet. So let me check Ghana for you again. I think that was here last night that I checked it. Check it for somebody. But once again, I'm gonna put a link in the chat so you can go straight to the embassy's website yourself. So Ghana, yep, still showing unable to resume routine visa services. So this is Ghana. So this is Ghana right here. I'm gonna post it, paste it here. You see, This is Ghana. Just check it. They didn't resume visa services yet. Uh, so Haiti, they resume visa services on partial immigrant and non-immigrant visa service. Jean-Hubert Emmanuel. Yeah, I did a video yesterday. I don't know if you saw my video yesterday. Yeah, Haiti resume partial immigrant and non-immigrant visa services. You have to call the embassy, okay, and to double check if they resume visa services in your visa category. Oladide Adebayo, Nigeria. Well, for Nigeria, they start working on cases of spouse and children of a U.S. citizen. Okay, they start working on since October 13th. So I update. I made a video about it. I don't know if you saw it. Let's check on Philippines for even. Philippines. Let me see what is going on in Philippines. Philippines. So that would be P. Yes. I think I did a Philippines the other day. Okay. So Philippines, I have it right here. Let me see what's going on. The U.S. Embassy in Manila. So Manila, you click on visas and see what's going on. So Philippines also they still suspended their visa uh, services. Okay, so I have it here. They are unable to resume routine immigrant and non-immigrant visa services at this time. So I'm gonna copy the link so you can see it for yourself. So this is Philippines right here. Right, let's check Bangladesh voice say check Bangladesh. Let's check Bangladesh and see what's going on. Bangladesh. So Bangladesh. All right, so let me see what is going on here. U.S. Embassy in Dhaka. Dhaka. What is going on in Dhaka? Become visas. So Bangladesh is still suspended their immigrant and non-immigrant visa services. Okay, so you have to keep checking their website for new updates. I'm gonna copy the link for you. So here, this is for Bangladesh. All right. What other document you have to submit with DS 260? Well, guys, Ngabirano, I made a video about document you will submit with uh, DS260. I think I made a video about it before, and some of the document will be the civil document. So I'm still working on the process. I want to process video. So I think last week I made a video about the DS260 itself. Go over the DS260. I'm gonna move on. Additional document you're gonna add, which is gonna be like a civil document of the beneficiary, and also some of the document basically for the petition. We're gonna talk about those stuff, okay? So basically, on the DS260, some of you guys who don't know, is for the beneficiary, okay? It's for the beneficiary. It's only the beneficiary will fill up on that form. It's not for the petitioner, even though it is part of the DS260 that talk about the petitioner. But most of the document you're gonna submit is gonna be document related to the beneficiary, which are the civil document. I'm gonna talk about in another video. Let me see here. I want their immediate son and daughter over 21 already document submitted NVCs November. How long the process time? Marriage and son and daughter over 21. Well, it will depend. That one is on F2B category, I believe, on Sunny. It will depend. It's hard to tell you guys exactly how long the process time will will be based on the what is going on with the pandemic, all those stuff. But F2B category, that is a long process. It might take up to that process might take up to 5 years, because I know people who are US citizens, they petition for their kids who are over 21 and married till now. It's like almost 5 years till now. Their kids are not here in the United States yet. I mean, the pandemic will complicate everything too. So Jean-Marc Chona, hey sir, good job, thank you. Can you check on Togo Embassy if they are working on visa F21? No, I checked Togo. They are not working on F21 yet because the thing is F21 category is affected by the immigration suspension. Reason why they didn't start working on those yet. Hopefully by once the immigration suspension is over, they might start working on those. Okay. All right. Let me see here. Mumbai Embassy. Mumbai. Okay, let me check Mumbai quick. Let's see what's going on. Gotta be patient with me, okay? Because I'm doing here everything by myself here. It's kind of a little bit challenging. So let's do Mumbai. Let's see what's going on. Mumbai. What country is Mumbai again, guys? Put me. Just put the country, please, and don't put like a city because it's kind of complicated. Just put the country. Mumbai. I don't know if Saudi Arabia or what. Which country is that? Please let me know. Or India. I'm gonna India. Oh, yeah, India. They resume or partial visa services. Okay, so if you have a relative in India, please, you need to call the U.S. embassy and see if they are working on your visa category. But I know they resume on partial visa services. Okay, Mumbai is India. Okay, yep. They resume partial visa services. Hardik, I see you. Yeah, you have to check with the embassy. Okay, so Khartoum Habiba F2A interview about F2A interview about place for Bangladesh. I don't understand the question. Sorry. Let me see here. How long interview Kenya? My husband wouldn't interview until now. He doesn't have any update. Check Kenya, Nairobi. Yo, Kenya. I think I checked Kenya the other day. Let me double check Kenya for you again. One thing you have to know, guys, also is even the embassy resume visa services, MVC won't be able to check actually schedule an appointment for you if they don't have any interview appointment available. Okay, they have to have like a spot available in order for them to schedule an appointment for you. So it might be one of the reasons why you guys didn't receive the appointment letter yet. So let's check on Kenya. Let's see what's going on. U.S. Embassy in Nairobi. Check on visas. Okay. For Kenya, what I'm seeing here, they resume or limited on processing of F1, F2, M1, M2, J1, and J2 on visas, which are non-immigrant visa. As far as immigrant visa, let's see if they have any information. I don't think they resume on immigrant visa yet. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything related to immigrant visa. The only, let me see. Yeah, they only provide no information regarding a non-immigrant visa. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is if you live in Kenya, or you can have your husband call the embassy and see if they resume visa services in your category. I don't know if you are a U.S. citizen, which is going to be CR1, RR1 category. But in case you are a green card holder, then you just have to wait till the immigration suspension is over. But from what I'm seeing here, I'm not seeing any information regarding immigrant visa. They only talk about non-immigrant visa here. So I'm going to put a link here so you can check it out for yourself and read through it. Okay. See. So this is for Kenya right here. I'm basing it's for Kenya. Sunny G, good job, bro. What is the thank you. Let me see. Is Israel embassy open for interview or Sanad the Gaf? Let me check Israel for you quick. I can do that for you. Let me see Israel. Israel. Okay, Israel. Let me click on Israel. U.S. Embassy, Jerusalem. Okay, so I have this one. So I click on visa. Let me click on immigrant visas and see what is going on. So when I click on Israel, they are not showing me. I mean, the information they have on their website is not saying anything regarding the immigration suspension. I mean, the visa services suspension. So most of the time, if they don't have that kind of information in the website, maybe they start, they resume visa services. So what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna ask you is to contact the U.S. consulate yourself and see if they resume visa services in your, excuse me, in your visa category. Okay, because I click on immigrant visa, I'm not seeing any information um that they still suspending visa visa services. Okay, so I'm gonna put a link here for you. That way you can check it out for yourself. Click on this. All right, Israel. So this is for Israel right here. Israel. Tell us about voice from Shakil said, tell us about presidential proclamation December 31st. What will happen next? Is NBC resume normal? Dhaka, Bangladesh? Well, right now, I don't know what's going to happen on December 31st. We'll see. Hopefully, the immigration suspension will be over, okay? But I don't have any information regarding that yet. Cacho, no, my category is F2A document to qualify, complete 2 months over. Now, my question is, NBC will uh, take my interview from Bangladesh. Well, yes, once the Bangladesh embassy open or resume visa services, then NBC will move your case to them once they schedule an appointment for you, and we'll let you know. Okay. All right. All right. Which country you want me to check for you? Let me know, guys. I don't know. I probably missed some of the question in the chat. If I missed the question, please I will submit it. So I will do my best to reply. Okay, Hem Wanti was saying that her mom is U.S. citizen. Her paper was sent to NBC since August. Well, if your paper was sent to NBC since August, then they have to review. I don't know if you are a document to qualify yet. If not, you just have to be patient till NBC review your document, and they will let you know. And then after that, they will send your case to the U.S. consul. I think you are not a resume of visa services, partial visa services. So you just have to wait. Him 1T person. Just have to wait. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, guys. Another one. If you want me to call you directly, please put your phone number. I will call you directly for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. I mean, not 1 minute, but 2 3 minutes. Okay. Put your phone number, and I will do my best to call you directly. All right. In the meanwhile, if you still want me to check the U.S. consulate for you, I will do that. Bless up, John. Dave. Hey, how you doing? Sana said, okay, thank you so much, my brother. I always watch your videos. Thank you. I hope you guys are having a great holiday. Everything is going well with your family. I know not everybody is celebrating Christmas, but some of you guys who celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas to you guys. What about Pakistan? Kawajada, Pakistan. Let me check. I think Pakistan. Um, I don't know if there is no visa services yet, but I can check that for you quick. Pakistan, Pakistan. And like I said, guys, if you want me to call you, if you live in the US, you wanna talk to me over the phone, you want me to call you for maybe 2 3 minutes, or if you have any question, let me know. Okay, you can just put your phone number in the chat, and I will call you. So Pakistan, let's do Pakistan. Pakistan. All right. So click on US Embassy in Islamabad. I click on this one. Islamabad. Click on visas and see what's going on. Okay, so for Pakistan, they resume partial visa services. Like what I'm seeing here, they say the U.S. consulate in Karachi, uh, have resumed on certain non-immigrant visa services like F, M, and J visa services. As far as immigrant visa, I don't have any information here. Let me click on immigrant visas and see if they have something there. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything regarding the immigrant visa. So what if I what I'm gonna do is if I were you, I'm just gonna keep checking the website or call the US consulate and see if they maybe they have an idea when they're gonna resume immigrant visa services. Okay, so I'm gonna put a link over here. That way you check it out for yourself. So this is for Pakistan. Hopefully by 2021, everything is gonna, get back to normal a little bit. So we don't have to worry about which embassy is open, which one is not, and so. All right, guys. What I have here. Yeah, I check Guyana. They resume on partial visa services. Okay, you have to just call the U.S. Consulate and see if they resume on visa services in your category. But I did check on Guyana the other day. They resume partial visa services. Okay, guys, if you live in the U.S., you want me to call you, or just put your phone number. I can call you for 2 3 minutes. If not, if you have a question, send a question. I will do my best to reply to the question. Viviana, my husband is talking about death all the time. He think he will die before he will see us, and sometimes he want to shout and cry, and he's staying alone. Do you think we can go for emergency? Well, if you wanna, sorry to hear that. By the way, but if you wanna expedite the case, you can contact NVC to see if they can help you out and speed that on your case. Okay, Vivian Darko. Sorry about that. I'm sorry you're going through all those stuff. But yeah, contact NVC and see if they can expedite your case. All right. Voice on next visa bulletin on when will be published. Hopefully by the end of this month or earlier on January. Okay, you will see that. Tell me about F-4 visa on India. Well, F4 visa categories, the process is very long. So you guys have to wait, especially for India. It might take like 17 years before the beneficiary even come to United States of America. So um, just have to wait for that till your priority date is current. Okay. Right now we got 25 people in the chat. Okay, guys, if you just join us, let me know where you watch me from, where you watch me from, and if you like this live, just tap yes as well. Yes, yes, yes. That way I know you like the chat. If you don't like it, then I can just leave. Maybe you don't want to watch, you don't want to see me. I can just leave. All right, 27 people right now. 17 likes, 28 people. Let me know if you like the chat or if you want me to leave. Then I will leave. Let me see if I miss any question. Let me see. Um, from Pakistan, I got document to qualify in May 2020. I applied for CR1 category, my spouse US citizen. I didn't hear anything from US consulate. Package is shown at NBC. Yep. If you are document to qualify, reason why you didn't hear anything from the embassy is because the U.S. Consulate in Pakistan didn't resume visa services yet. That's the reason why you didn't hear anything. I'm talking about miss news. Okay, you just have to be patient until the consulate resume visa services. Then that way NBC can schedule an appointment for you. All right. Okay, guys. I don't know. Maybe there's no more question, or you still want me to check if US consulate for you. Let me know. Let me know. If you like the chat. Please click yes if you like what is going on there on the chat. You know what we're doing. Let me know. Please yes, please. Thank you, Yannick. Thank you. God bless you too. In F4, okay. So in F4 visa, I filed on 2014. Today, I'm not able to get a visa. I got welcome letter in 2018 or 2 years. My case is NBC. Yeah, F4, like I say, F4 categories, the process is very long. You know, it can take 17 years, or even in some cases, 20 years before you even get an immigrant visa to come to United States of America. That's what the way it is. So you just have to be patient, okay? So Teddy said, "Hi, John. All documents were accepted, but were told to add Form 1099 of our petitioner and our new police clearance because they expired. We already upload and submit them. Are we gonna will receive reply? Well, once you Teddy, once you submit all those documents, NBC gonna review them and then they will let you know. Okay, so it might take in some cases take like 3 weeks or 6 weeks or 2 months before they even get back to you and let you know if you are documented to qualify or not. If you are documented to qualify, then they're gonna be able to schedule an interview appointment for you if the U.S. consulate where the beneficiary will go for interview or resume of visa services. Okay. So they've yes, bro, Jamaica in tuna, and we always up in videos. Enjoy your info. Do the executive order Ben can lift before 31st this month. Well, according to the proclamation, Dave, it's gonna end on December 31st, 2020. So we just keep praying so the ban is over by December 31st, and then once we get into the new year, hopefully things gonna get better, and you guys will be able to get a visa to join your loved one. Okay, your loved ones. So Mohammed, hello and thank you for doing this. Quick question: how to know the date on which the document was submitted to NVC? I don't remember the exact date. Well, once your case is approved by USCIS, they will send you a letter, tell you that they're gonna send your document to NVC National Visa Center. But it's kind of hard to know exactly when the document arrive to NBC National Visa Center. But one thing is sure, once your document get to the to NVC, they will let you know. Okay. Hash hash and say thank you, Joe. 21 people. Okay. Or maybe I got 10 more minutes. I don't know. If you have any question, let me know. If you still want me to check a US consulate or update for you, let me know. If you want me to call you, you live in the US, and you can put your phone number in the chat, and I will call you for 2 3 minutes if you have any question you want to talk to me on the phone. All right. Uh, Let me know, guys. Let me see if I didn't miss any question. Let me see here. Check. Okay. Okay, guys. If you don't have no more question, well, I think I gotta go because I have 50 minutes already. Or if you have more question, let me know. If you want me to check the U.S. consulate for your country, let me know. If you want me to call you directly or put your phone number, I can do that. Yes, John, understand. One love, bro. I'm good info. Thank you so much, Dave. Dave. All right, let me see here. Miss News said thank you, sir. Or you welcome, Miss News. Yeah, you're welcome, Teddy. Okay, let me see here. Okay, guys. If you don't have no more question, well, I think I'm gonna end this live. Happy holiday for some of you guys who celebrate Christmas and all that. Happy holiday, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas for you guys. And let me see if I have another question. Barry Kisu CD please, since April 20, they have stepped on the fees and form. Okay, we always waiting for the update and weekly update on immigration. Thanks, John. You're welcome, Miss News. Appreciate it. VP Matthew, hi, I got a letter from NBC for my brother priority date is not current F2 category. I can log in, but no other information. Whereas, sometimes for F4 category, since they have a visa limitation, even if you get a welcome letter, you log in, you won't be able to do anything until the priority date is current. So you just have to be patient. Once the priority date is current, the NBC will contact you. Okay. Uh, Elizabeth, you also you must keep on doing this live chat, sir. Well, I'm gonna do my best. I'm kind of a little bit busy, that's why I do it once in a while. But I think I'm gonna do it more, once I have the time. Thank you, Elizabeth. I see your question, often under my videos. Yannick Noah, how do I know that my documents are already at the consulate, or how long does it take to receive on the date of the interview? Well, once an NVC schedule an appointment for you, Yannick, they will let you know. Okay, they will let you know that they send your document to the US consulate, and then from there, in the letter, you will see the time, the date, and which embassy you go for interview. You'll know for sure. Okay. So, how long it take to receive an interview depend on, whether or not the U.S. consulate or where the beneficiary will go or resume visa services yet, and also if the visa category is affected by the immigration suspension, it's gonna take a little bit longer. But usually, normally before the pandemic, know that, once you are a U.S. citizen, let's say the petitioner is a U.S. citizen, and the case is on document to qualify, it might take like 4 months. About 4 months, the U.S. consulate will send you. Actually, you will receive a work an interview letter for NVC that is schedule an appointment for you. But now, because of the pandemic, everything's kind of messed up. It take a little bit longer. But yeah, just be patient. Once NVC schedule an appointment for you, they let you know. Okay. So Barik Kisu said they say they will call my husband for interview in Ghana since April, please. Well, yeah, since the U.S. consulate didn't resume visa services in Ghana, yet they won't be able to call your husband. They won't be able to send you guys an interview appointment letter. Okay, that's the reason why it's nothing like a personal. Okay, so Tahamia Faisal say hi. I received on the NVC letter, but on fee page is not active in NVC site, and priority date is February uh, 2012 on F4 category. Yeah, Tahamia. So that's why I was telling one of the viewer that for F4 category, since that category has a visa limitation, so sometimes you will get a case number, invoice ID, you will log into the computer electronic application center, but you won't be able to pay the fees because there is a visa limitation. So you have to wait till the priority date becomes current, then NVC will call you, not call you, but notify you to start the immigrant visa process. Okay, that's the reason why. Um, Miss Neil said, do you think the new administration will be in favor of immigrant? Well, I don't really like to talk about those stuff, but I think it's gonna be a little bit better than the one we have, the administration we have currently. Hopefully things gonna get back to normal. All right. Okay. Let me see if there is another question. Malik Ibrahim, have you been a favor to us or who are funding our way to another country? My question is that what does it take for me? I'm not a US citizen. I'm not a citizen of Senegal, and I want to move to Sen from Senegal to USA. Listen, well, if you wanna immigrate to United States of America, some of you guys, if you have a job now, or maybe you have some skill, you can see if you can apply for a job in the United States of America. If you get accepted by the U.S. company, they can petition for you and bring you to the U.S. and work. That's another thing. If you are a student, you have your high school diploma or maybe your university, you can register for DV lottery visa every year. If you win, you can come to United States of America and become a permanent resident right away. There is different ways you can immigrate to United States of America. Or if you're a student, you want to come here to study, you can apply for F1 visa to come to United States of America. Okay. Okay. I don't know if you are new here or if you want me to call you directly, you can put your phone number. I can call you for 2 or 3 minutes if you have a question. Or if you want me to check a US consulate update for your country, let me know. I think I got 3 more minutes before I go. Let me know in the chat. And also, if you just join us, let me know where you watch me from. I will appreciate it. Malik, you're welcome. Let me see here. Hmm, Okay, let me see if I miss any question. Okay, guys, let me know if you like this live, if it helps you somewhere somehow, or if you're enjoying it. Let me know if you just tap yes, 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 and that way I know for sure if you guys like this chat. That way, now next time I will do my best to do it again, basically to answer some of your questions. So more. Okay, Dave say yes. Okay, cool. Thank you, Dave. Let's see. Mohammed said the exact date of submitting them. So, Mohammed, are you talking about the exact date to submit to NVC? I think I just talked about that. I don't know if that's the same thing you are talking about. So, Angie say yes, a million yes. Thank you, Angie. Malik say yes. Thank you, Malik. that's the purpose. Hopefully you guys you know learn something from this chat, something new. I'm able to help you guys. Oh, Yannick say thank you. Oh, thank you. You're welcome, Yannick. Okay, guys. So if you don't have any more question, thanks again. I will talk to you in the next video or in the next live. Okay. All right, bye. So Merry Christmas happy holiday to you guys. Whatever you are today, just be safe out there. Okay. Bye. One love.